State the restricted values. A restricted value is a number that you're not allowed to plug in because it would make the problem undefined. Well, what makes a problem undefined? If it's over 0. So what I need to do is I need to find out what numbers makes the denominator 0. So I have to find out 6n minus 2 equals 0. So we're going to add 2 to both sides, like so. Cross u out. 6n equals 2. Divide both sides by 6. And n is going to equal 2 over 6 is a fraction that simplifies out to 1/3. So the restricted value is just going to be 1, and it's going to be 1/3. So depending on what teacher you have, you might have a teacher that says, you have to write out n equals 1/3, or you have to write out that n cannot be 1/3. It all depends on the teacher, but the reality is 1/3 makes the bottom 0, which means it's not allowed. That's it. We only care about the denominator, not the numerator.